All right, so we received in the mail today our packet of stuff, and we are doing an unboxing or cutting the bag open, if you will. And I'm here with my awesome wife, Vanna. So here we go. Throw that out. What do we have inside? So I ordered one shirt, and Rhoda has kind of a pullover, if you will. Why don't you go ahead and grab what you have there?
This is me. Okay, let's see. Yay!
That's awesome.
Yes.
That's
Love
awesome.
it, love it, love it, love it.
Image bearers. And then, of course,
Yeah.
I got purple,
Yeah.
a shirt,
Mm.
image bearers,
Yeah.
Genesis 1:26. These are awesome, awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
How do you like yours, babe?
I love it.
So you got the one with the zip
Yeah.
down the middle?
Yeah.
Can you show on the screen so people can see? That's awesome.
Love it. Wearing it right now.
So I ordered a medium.
Mine, it's a large, unisex large.
6 to large. Okay. So this is what they look like.
Yep.
I'll post a link in the description. So if you guys want to order yours, you're definitely welcome to. Got some great prices. And as you can see, Rhoda has hers on.
Yeah.
Got one side on.
This is a large. Look at that.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yes.
All right.
You see, there. And you're tall.
She's better than Vanna, isn't she? All right. Well, you guys definitely have a great rest of the day. Just wanted to do a little unboxing or cutting the bag opening, if you will. Peace out.
Peace out.